Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, let x be a standard normal variable with mean 0 and variance 1. So x follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1. Let phi x and capital phi x be the probability density function PDF and cumulative distribution function CDF of x respectively. Then consider the equation 3a squared phi squared x dx from minus infinity to infinity minus 10 into mod a from minus infinity to infinity capital phi x dx into small phi x dx plus 4 from minus infinity to infinity phi x dx is equal to 0. Then all the roots of this equation are, so let phi x is equal to z. So from here we get phi x is equal to, let this phi x be z. So we get phi x, that is differentiation of this, to be dz dx or dx is equal to dz by phi x. Now, putting this value in this equation, we get 3a squared from 0 to 1 z squared phi x dz dx, or rather dz phi x. So phi x cancels out, minus 10 mod a from 0 to 1 z into phi x dz phi x cancels out, plus 4 into phi x dz phi x. Now again this cancels out. What we are left with is 3a squared z squared dz from 0 to 1 minus 10 mod a 0 to 1 z dz plus 4 0 to 1 dz is equal to 0, or 3a squared into z cube by 3 1 to 0 minus 10 mod a z squared by 2 from 0 to 1 plus 4z from 0 to 1 is equal to 0. So we get 3a squared into 1 by 3 minus 10 mod a into half plus 4 is equal to 0. So we get a square minus 5 mod a plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, when a greater than is equal to 0, a squared minus 5a plus 4 is equal to 0. Now on solving this, we get a to be equal to 1 and 4. And when a less than 0, this equation becomes a squared plus 5a plus 4 is equal to 0. On solving this, we get a is equal to minus 1 and minus 4. So, since all the 4 options are not included in any of A, B, C, so option D, none of the above is the correct answer.